So this is just going to be a quick review of the KitchenAid Artisan mixer. So I've gone for the dried rose, and this is definitely my favourite colour. I think this would look really good if you've got quite a neutral kitchen, or as well if you've got a dark kitchen, as it'll really stand out. It's an example of the things that I've made in the mixer. So I made these for a bake-off recently. On the left it's an orange drizzle cake, and on the right are butterfly cupcakes, and these turned out so well just with this mixer. I was really impressed with the quality. The mixer itself has 10 different settings, so as you can see on one it's quite quick for saying it's just the first setting, and then as you increase the intensity it gets quicker and quicker. I'd always start on 1 or 2 just to mix the ingredients gently first, and then whack it up to 10. On the right side there's the lock, so this is how you would lift up the top, which I'll show you in a minute. So to remove the bowl, all you need to do is unlock it on the right hand side and just simply lift up the top, so that will lift completely out. Twist the bowl and you can easily remove that, and it's really easy to use, really simple, and that's what I absolutely love about this mixer. One of the great things about the mixer is that it holds the bowl down, so you don't need to waste your energy holding the bowl in a certain position. It'll just hold all in place and do all the hard work for you, and it just makes life really easy. So I definitely recommend this mixer for all of you bakers out there.